Welcome to Machinery Video. Today we're going to get a look at a LeBlond Makino engine lathe that was rebuilt by LeBlond in 1996. This machine is in really superior condition and just has not seen a tremendous amount of use in the years since. This is an excellent offering with very nice equipment, and we're going to get a look around the machine, see it operate under power, go from there. This excellent LeBlond lathe swings 36 inches over the bedways. It swings 24 inches over the cross slide and 72 inches between centers. This is a very unique and excellent lathe. This LeBlond Regal engine lathe has three very nice roller steady rests with it. I'm showing two of them here. The machine is equipped with a Dorian tool post, chip guard that swings down. This machine has hardened way strips that are just in excellent condition. All the screws and adjusting nuts are just excellent on this machine. The machine has a 4-jaw buck chuck and then also a larger 3-jaw chuck as well. This machine can be seen under power, by appointment. We look forward to showing you this LeBlond lathe, and as always, visit with us at www.wigglesworth.com to view our new additions and our featured machines, and have a great day.